care and confidence so you can fly with no worries. Even in these special times, we want to make sure that you feel comfortable during your flight. We have already taken a number of measures in recent weeks to protect our guests and employees in the current situation. Before your flight, entry requirements. Please check and observe the current entry regulations for your destination country as well as the regulations at the airports. Make sure your COVID-19 related entry documents are complete. Example, proof of the COVID-19 test result or digital entry application, that is DEA. Self-medical test. Please protect yourself and your fellow passengers. Start your journey only if you feel healthy. At check-in, please confirm that you have not had contact with a COVID-19 case in the last 14 days, are not waiting for a pending test result and have not tested positive yourself. Hand luggage. In the current situation, individual authorities and airports have restricted the carrying of hand luggage. This is intended to reduce the waiting time at the security checkpoint and speed up the boarding and deboarding process. Mouth-nose cover. On all flights to and from Germany, wearing a medical protective mask is mandatory since 1/2/2021 during boarding, on board and when leaving the aircraft. Only the following masks will be permitted: FFP2, KN95 and N95, standard or surgical masks. On long-haul flights, we recommend you to bring several masks. Optionally, bring hand disinfectant with you. And if you do, please be sure to observe the regulations for carrying liquids. Restaurants. Keep in mind that many shops and restaurants at the airports may still be closed. Disinfection. Use the hand sanitizers that are available. Mobile check-in. We strongly recommend to check in from your flight via our digital and mobile services on our website or within the Lufthansa app. If you still have any queries, you can talk to Lufthansa executives. We Cheap Flights want to provide best deals and latest guidelines of all airlines in United States. Call us now to get discounts in ticket booking.